welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I'm apparently losing my voice. I think it's just allergies though. I have my Supernatural Pan Interrupted update for you. This is a project that I started with Amanda like forever ago. In August of 2018, we are going to be painting a product, whether it's like to set a goal, uses, finish, whatever, one product for every episode that has ever aired of this. 15 seasons of Supernatural, and we are doing 6 at a time. 6 is a relevant number in the show, so that's why we picked 6. And yeah, so I'm going to show you the 6 that I have been working on. I don't have any goals met this time, but I do have some that are very close that definitely should be rollouts for next update. This first one better be a rollout by the next update. This is a very Supernatural Christmas. I have the CleanColor nail lacquer in Holiday Jingle. My goal was 20 uses on this. You can see it was brand new when I brought it in. It is like down to here now, and I have only 18 uses on this. Sometimes I use this on all of my nails. Sometimes I just do an accent nail. Accent nails make my life easier sometimes. I think I can get 2 more uses out of this by the next update. I'm hoping I can. I do enjoy it, but it is a very tough color to use because it doesn't coordinate well with any of the other polishes that I'm working on. So that's what makes it awkward. Otherwise, I think it probably would have been done by now if it actually coordinated well with other things that I was working on. So hopefully I can get the other 2 uses done. I have a feeling I'll probably do like blue polish with this over top for one, and then maybe do an accent nail for another time just to get those 2 uses and finally get that one rolled out. All right, finally some progress on Mystery Spot. That is like Supernatural version of Groundhog Day, if you've seen the movie. It's like every day is the same. You wake up and like start the day over again, but with minor changes, and then you learn things as you go. I chose lip balm. Let me see. Do I have the original packaging right here? Yes, because I have like 1,000,001 lip balms, and I had this Event Blossom lip balm. I frankened it like a month ago, and I frankened it with some other lip products and a base from this, and I'm actually using it now, which is kind of cool. This is what I have left. And I'm not sure if I can finish it by the next update. 2 updates max, and I think this one is going to be done. It sits, I don't put it in my makeup basket. It literally sits on my nightstand, and I use it every night before I go to bed. So we will see how close I can get by the next update to having this one done. I'm not going to worry about the base because, like I said, I frankened the base in it, and I will probably, whatever's left in the base, I'm going to franken with something else because I have other potted lip balms that I want to melt down. So that's probably how the base is going to get used. So if it's not done by the next update, 2 updates max, I think is what we're looking at. And oh, it will be so nice to have that done. All right, moving on to Time Is On My Side. That's a doctor that's obsessed with like youth and eternal life. So I chose the Exuviance Age Reverse. And that episode was so creepy. It really was. I want to finish this eventually. I wish I had put usage on this because this is taking forever. I was at purple before. Now I am at gold. I really should just go to my original goal, which is right here, and I might do that, but we'll have to wait and see. I think I might change that to my goal. Otherwise, I think this is going to be in here until like I'm on season 15, because this is slow going. It's not something I use all the time. And this is the hand rejuvenator cream that goes with it. I think I either need to go to like this original line goal, which is roughly halfway, maybe a little bit more than halfway, or until the rejuvenator cream is gone, which probably would be about the same time. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Should I continue till all of this is done, hit the line, or just until the rejuvenator cream is done? because whatever is the majority, that will rule, and that is what my decision will be as far as this project. So that one is still going. I have used it, not a ton of progress. Oh, did I even show you my progress on this purple to gold? Let's go on to the next one. No Rest for the Wicked. That was a good episode. I'm working on ColourPop Jelly Much, No Rest for the Vivid. Let me pull the top off. This is a usage of 20. I am at 11 uses, and I'm making good progress on it. I need to get 9 more uses. I don't think I'm going to have that by the next update unless I really, really focus on this. And I have a lot of other eyeshadows that I have to focus on, so we'll see how it goes. This one, I think it's going to take 2, maybe 3 more updates, just because it's not something I use on the daily. But it is currently in my makeup basket. All right, moving on to Monster Movie, which is one of my favorite campy episodes. My husband and I like to watch this multiple times in the year. Just, you know, do you ever have like old episodes that you watched, like your favorite TV shows that you have on DVD, and you'll just like, I kind of want to see that episode, and you watch it periodically? This is one of those episodes for us. It's done in black and white. It is during Oktoberfest, and it's all about like the old Hollywood type of monsters. You have like Frankenstein and those kinds of monsters, and it's really good. It is really good. It's one of the things I like about Supernatural is their campy episodes. The humor is, I can't even explain the humor. It's a little bit snarky, a little bit sarcastic, and sometimes just super silly, and that's what I like, because I'm silly too. But anyway, because it's based on the old Hollywood monsters, I chose the eyeshadow called Hollywood from the Depotted Profusion Eyes palette. I think I've only used this once since the last update, which is, I'm pretty sure that's when I brought it in. And my goal is actually to finish this one, so I need to get on that. It is not currently in my makeup basket, so I have a makeup basket coming up, so I need to get that one in there because that one needs some usage. And the last one is Yellow Fever, and this is another really good episode. There are some that I just was like about, but this season 4 was probably one of the best seasons, and yeah, this one was hysterical. If you're a Supernatural watcher, it is the one where they do Eye of the Tiger at the end, where Jensen Ackles, you know, does and he's standing on Baby and he's lip syncing to Eye of the Tiger. Yeah, that episode. So funny. It is so funny. I absolutely adore that episode. That is another one that I watch over and over again because, well, first of all, Jensen Ackles, because hello. But it's just very, very funny. Especially when he gets ghost sickness and he gets scared of everything, even a little tiny kitten. All right, so anyway, Yellow Fever, I chose something yellow. This is the Ecoco or Eco Style gel in argan oil, and I wanted to get 5 uses on this. I'm at 3 because I was working on some other hair products for the past month, so I am sure that I will get the other 2 uses like ASAP, because one of the other hair care products, styling products, is already done and rolled out of a project, and the other one is very close to its goal, so yeah. I'm pretty sure this is going to go above 5 uses, but we're going to get there. We are definitely going to get there. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. I've been chattering too long, reminiscing about all these episodes because I love it. I love it. There have been other people who have joined in. I'm going to list them down below along with Amanda. If you would like to join in, we would love to have you, because Supernatural, panning together, what could possibly go wrong, right? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.